I cash flow multiple six figures per year on my BTC and ETH, and I want to break down my strategy. I'm going to keep it super simple. And please know, this is more of a bullish market strategy. There are bearish market strategies that you can still cash flow your crypto and hedge against or even short your crypto assets. I'm happy to do a video on that if you request it in the comments below. But in today's video, we're going to just quickly talk about how I'm doing this. Again, on average, this is doing around 250K per year, around 260, 250% APR. Of course, it depends on what the markets are doing. The weekends, it kind of slows down. During the week, it speeds up. But let's just have a really quick look. Now, these are purely cash flowing positions. And if you're sitting there saying, why are you in a wrapped ETH USDC or a BTC USDC pair? Because you're going to miss out on all the upside of ETH and Bitcoin, which the markets are obviously been green for the last few months. Lucas, why would you do that? Well, over here on Aave, I've got $210,000 worth of BTC and ETH that I have lent out, and I've borrowed stablecoin against it. So I lock in my BTC and ETH. I don't miss out on the price appreciation of it. Again, not long ago, this was worth about $180, about $90,000 each. Now it's worth, 107 and 102, which is 210. So winning, don't miss out on the bull run. I don't miss out on my bull run bags. I don't miss out on the appreciation. I can borrow against it for a measly, as of this moment, 10%, which may seem like a lot. But I mean, rule number one of money is like just find ways to arbitrage your cash. If I can borrow at 10% and make 100% free money all day long, I'll take that bet. Even if I could borrow at 10% and make a guaranteed 25%, which you can all day long in DeFi, then I'm happy to take on that leverage. And then I've taken that, which again, I've got $84,000 borrowed with the yields that I earn on VFAT or on Aerodrome in this instance. I keep paying down this debt, plus my positions are also worth more. So now I have $92,000. I'm in only two positions, keeping it super simple. Wrapped ETH BTC. I will be opening up a third, which is a wrapped ETH BTC position, so I can be a little more correlated, especially in the green markets. I can just stay in range for longer. I cash flow multiple six figures. When the markets pull back and I get out of range, I just don't touch anything. Yes, I miss out on some cash flow for a bit. This was out of range for a week and a half. Did not touch it. I don't want to rebalance it. I don't want to lock in the impermanent loss. It is back in range, and I only snuggle rebalance, which I can do a video on the snuggle rebalance if you want in the comments below. Just let me, anything we can do for you. This channel is for you. We want you to win. We want you to succeed. I just wish more people could see the opportunity that's in front of them. They're sitting on crypto, and I don't care if you're sitting on $5,000 or 50 or 100 or a million. We've worked with clients with $12 million plus in their portfolios, and they're like, oh, I can cash flow my crypto and just buy more crypto with it. Like once that clicks for people and they start understanding they don't have to miss out on the upside of it. By the way, you can have multiple portfolios. This is just one of mine. If I flip to my other portfolio, you can see that I'm simply taking profits from my bull run bags, which I also think are up by like 40K this week. I mean, let's just have a look. Yeah, $47,000 this week. I do take profit out of my portfolios. I convert it to stable. And then I'll sit on stables waiting for market opportunities. So I've got $63,000 here, which I could just transfer it from this portfolio to my other portfolio and pay down that debt. Probably will. Got another $30,000 sitting here at 9% all day long. I'll take 9% to sit on stables all day long. I'm beating the stock market at its own game. And I've got basically no downside to it. You get the point. I've got positions over on Sui. And again, you can do the same thing over here, Navi Protocol. Literally at one point, this was worth $5,000. All of this Sui has been for completely free yield farming it. And now this entire portfolio is worth $52,000, which makes sense. Sui at 50 cents, now it's at $5. And there's a ton of opportunities on the Sui blockchain, on Solana, on Base, on Polygon. If you've got large amounts of capital on ETH mainnet and you can get your crypto working for you, like people complain that they can't get ahead financially, and I'll tell you why, because the traditional financial systems are literally against you unless you're ultra high net worth. But in DeFi, that problem no longer exists. Everyone gets the equal returns. DeFi doesn't discriminate. It doesn't give the higher net worth individuals any more APYs. And the returns you can make far outpace what banks or Wall Street can offer you. I'm like, I want more people to start with $100. We have a free course. Literally grab a free course or check out the UIG because we've built a massive membership, massive community that teaches this stuff. Or if you feel you need a little more hand holding and you're dealing with, $25,000, $50,000 more of capital and you want some one-on-one, that we got fast track. But either way, even if it's free on YouTube, just subscribe to this YouTube channel and stay plugged in. Join our mailing list. Just get connected on Instagram. I don't care how, just study this stuff. I don't care how you do it. I just want to be the one that's supporting you through this. And if you commit to this for a month or two, you could just read testimonial after testimonial. Even on YouTube, I just watched every YouTube video for 30 days straight and I built a $5,000 a month DeFi portfolio. It's all available to you, but we got to really, really commit to it. And with that said, this channel is free. We don't run ads, but what I do ask is if you want to join us in our mission of getting more people onboarded into DeFi and actually beating the traditional financial market at its own freaking game, which I'm like, I really, really dislike banks. And if you're on board with that mission, this channel or anything we've ever done has been helpful to you in any way, shape, or form, share this video, share this channel with someone you know it could support. Maybe that's an individual or someone on Telegram or Discord or a group you're a part of. Just share it with them and say, hey, go and study this stuff. Cryptolabs has some really good information. Study it. And hopefully that one message you send to someone with the video can help change their life as their eyes are going to open up to the possibilities in this space. Really hope this video was helpful to you in some way, shape, or form. Again, that's a little more realistic of what I expect. Again, to be honest with you, anything over 100% APR, I'm happy with all day long. Of course, I'll take more. But again, this fluctuates at around 200, 240, 250 a year, which translates a little bit more like 15,000 to 20,000 every single month. And I collect my rewards once this hits around $1,000 in whatever I'm farming in. I take that and I pay down the debt. And I'm really only paying down the debt so I have more access to capital when I need it. Then I can take debt back on and create even more cash flow. Really hope that helps. I know when this clicks for people, they're just like, oh, I can get the best of both worlds. It is not just buy and hold, or it's not just, oh my God, only DeFi. I'm like, you can get the best of both worlds and both portfolios work together. I wish people got that. I'll keep screaming that till I'm freaking blue in the face. Both portfolios can work together. That's the goal. Really hope that helps. Give this video a like. Let me know in the comments if anything landed, what else we can do for you. Give me a follow on Instagram @Rubixinator. Get connected in the DMs. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video.